This is our local artist.
Wow, that's beautiful.
The colors are incredible.
Thank you. It is of our village.
He captures it perfectly.
Start your visit at the Batuan Temple, Tegallalang Waterfall, swings and Instagram spots, Ubud Sacred Monkey Forest, and Tegallalang Rice Terrace.
This is incredible. How long have you been carving?
Since I was young, it's our tradition here.
The detail is just beautiful.
It's amazing craftsmanship. Thank you. You're welcome.
Your painting is beautiful.
Thank you. It is of this garden. It's so vibrant.
The colors are amazing.
This is our culture.
Incredible. Wow, look at all this silver.
It's incredible. Let me get a shot.
Absolutely, everything looks so fresh.
Let's
Wow, look at those rice terraces.
Incredible. Let me get a shot.
It looks so beautiful.
Perfect for a group photo.
Let's walk along here.
Good idea.
Welcome to Bali. What do you think of the view?
It's absolutely stunning, so beautiful.
Great. Let's get in the van and drive through. Thank you very much. If you would like to book a car with promotion rates, please open the link on the description. Look forward to exploring the best of Bali with you.
Well, everyone, thank you very much for joining the tour today.